Ladies and gents, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I've come out to my local city of Derby to go and shoot some street photography, but this time a little bit different. I've decided to see what it's like to shoot some street photography with the Canon 70-40 f2.8 lens. Now, I haven't had this lens for very long, and I just thought, why not see what it's like shooting street photography? And so with all that said, let's not waste any more time and get straight into it.
I've got to be honest, man, this weather today is not looking good. It is grey and miserable, but it looks like it could rain, which might bring some cool photos. So I'm gonna get the camera out and see what we get. Ready? Yeah. However you make you feel. Come forward a little bit. Stay there. Actually, come this way. Because of that. Yes, there. That way a little bit. That's it. Turn towards me. That's it. It's going to be your new profile picture, this.
That's it, mate.
Perfect.
Nice one.
You would have thought with having such a zoomed in lens that I would feel less inconspicuous, but because of how big it is, it's like I feel like everyone's seeing me as I take a photo. Oh dear, it's like you can't win. Bloody hell.
Unfortunately, that's all I've got for you guys today. I really enjoyed going out. It's been a while since I've shot any sort of street photography, and it's felt good to go out finally. But as for shooting with the 70 to 200mm lens, I actually really enjoyed using it. It was a little bit weird using it at first because although in my head I thought I'll be a bit more inconspicuous, people not seeing me, basically getting more candid results, I kind of felt like because of how actually big the lens was, I felt like everyone was looking at me and looking what I was doing. But as for the photo results, I managed to get some really nice shots that I'm happy with. Whether it be some architecture or portraits or even car photography at the end, like that Porsche looks sick. I am just really happy with the outcome. Maybe I need to actually start bringing that lens with me more and start shooting with it more because, like I say, the results I'm really happy with. Let me know what you think to the photos down in the comments. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and I guess I'll see you guys next time. Safe.